Hello everyone! Today we are going to make a super refreshing and easy treat, homemade strawberry popsicles. They are sweet, fruity, and perfect for hot days. Plus, they are super simple to make and you only need a few ingredients. So, let's get started. First, let's take a look at what we need. Fresh strawberries. We need about 2 cups. Make sure they are nice and ripe, because that will make our popsicle extra sweet and tasty. Honey or sugar. About 1/4 a cup, depending on how sweet you like them. If your strawberries are already very sweet, you can even use less. Water or coconut milk, half a cup. If you want a creamier texture, go for coconut milk. If you prefer a more fruity popsicle, water works just fine. Me, I like coconut milk. Lemon juice, just 1 tablespoon. It is optional, but it's adds a fresh, tangy flavor that makes the strawberries taste even better. And for decoration, you can use sprinkles. Alright, now we have everything. Let's move on the fun part, making the popsicles. First, we need to wash the strawberries really well. Once they are clean, remove the green tops and cut them into small pieces. This will make it easier to blend them later. Now, take a blender and add the strawberries. Next, pour in the honey or sugar, followed by the water or coconut milk. So, the honey, and the coconut milk. I like the coconut milk. And finally, the lemon juice, if you're using it. So, I have lemon juice here. Now blend everything together until it's smooth and well mixed. This should take about 30 seconds to 1 minute depending on your blender. At this point, we have 2 choices. If you like a smooth popsicle, you can strain the mixture using a fine sieve to remove any seeds. If you don't mind the strawberry bits, you can skip this step and keep all the fruity goodness. Me, I like keep all the fruity goodness. It's time to turn this delicious mixture into popsicles. Take your popsicle mold and carefully pour the strawberry mixture into each one. I will decorate my popsicles with sprinkles. If your molds come with sticks, Just close them up. If not covered, the molds will fall and poke wooden sticks through the center. Now, place the molds in the freezer and let them freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours. If you can, leave them overnight for the best texture. Once the popsicles are fully frozen, it's time to enjoy them. To take them out, easily run the molds under warm water for a few seconds. This will loosen the popsicles and make them slide out smoothly. And there you have it, homemade strawberry popsicles. They are fresh, fruity, and super easy to make. So, next time you're craving something cool and refreshing, try making this at home. Let me know how you turn out and don't forget to share them with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and see you next time for another delicious recipe. Bye!